let's chop it open. It's actually quite easy to chop open. I don't know what I'm going to find inside. I hope it's not toxic. I doubt it's toxic if they're sleeping next to it. So that should be enough. Let's get it right open actually. Have a really good look at it. So not that hard to cut open, to be fair, which makes my life a bit easier during this review. So well, there's not much to show there really, but let's look inside. I'm going to be careful not to get gel everywhere. And these are the gels, and you can see it's really dried up there. Might try sticking some water in this and see whether it rehydrates. It's a bit late to get this product back working, but just curious what kind of gel this is. So that's what the inside of it looks like. Nothing very complicated going on there. This gel did go throughout the product before, and obviously it's shriveled up a huge amount since. So yeah, let's try and rehydrate it and see what happens. Interestingly, this is the gel, the dried up gel that was in the middle. And I popped it in a bowl of water and left it for a few hours, and 2 small chunks, maybe 2 or 3 small chunks, have turned into this. So you can see the gel has expanded massively, and it's this kind of gunky, translucent. There's probably even a little chunk still here. Feels like jelly basically. So that's actually what's in the chilling pillow thing from JML. It's actually very cool. So it's very sort of squishy, squidgy, and it actually feels very cool to the touch. So that's probably the cooling element. I have to say I didn't expect it to go from this tiny little piece into these giant, I mean really it's probably 30-40 times the size. It's sort of massive. So pretty cool, pretty exciting. And that's what's inside. It is some very cool cooling gel.